Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find system. Now let's tap on date and time. As you can see, it should be on the third position, and here we've got some options which we can, or actually right now cannot customize, because as you can see, the date, time and time zone options are inactive. So first of all, we have to turn off automatic date, time and time zone just by tapping on those switches here, and as you can see, those options are active. So let's begin with the date. After tapping on it, you will be able to pick the date from this calendar. So let me pick something like that, maybe tap on OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time. So here from this clock we can pick the time we want to use, and it will be also immediately applied to the status bar. Let's change the time zone, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available regions from which you can choose. So basically you just have to find one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me randomly pick this one, Panama. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. I hope that you can remember that we've set half past 12, I believe. So under it we've got also the time format. So currently we are using local default, but of course you can manually, let's say, decide what kind of time format you want to use. So just tap on the switcher, and here you can decide, because currently we are using 24-hour format. If you'd like to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time. Of course you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.